Sprout Social is a powerful social media management and analytics tool, but before you make your purchase, there are a few important things you need to know. While it's an option used by many, it's crucial to compare it with other software to ensure it's the best fit for your needs. Stick around as we dive into the 12 things you need to consider before buying. First off, Sprout Social offers excellent social media management features, but its pricing is on the higher side, especially when compared to competitors like Hootsuite or Buffer. While those platforms also offer similar features, Sprout Social's price might only make sense if you need advanced reporting or team collaboration tools. Next thing to know is that Sprout Social excels at reporting and analytics. It provides in-depth reports that can help track your performance across all social media channels. However, if you just need basic reporting, you might find that platforms like Buffer or AgroPulse offer similar features at a lower price. The third thing to consider is Sprout Social's user interface. It's clean, modern, and intuitive, which makes it easy for beginners. However, some users report a steep learning curve for some of its more advanced features. If you're not looking for something complex, simpler tools like Later might be more up your alley. Now, let's talk about scheduling posts. Sprout Social allows you to schedule content across multiple platforms, but one thing it does better than competitors is the Smart Inbox. It consolidates all your social media messages into one place, which makes managing engagement a lot easier. Other tools like Hootsuite have similar features, but not quite as seamlessly integrated. The fifth thing to keep in mind is that Sprout Social supports a wide variety of social networks, including Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and even TikTok. While platforms like Buffer and Later focus mainly on a few networks, Sprout Social is versatile and can handle a broader range of accounts, making it a good choice if you manage multiple platforms. The sixth thing to know is that Sprout Social has robust team collaboration tools. If you're running a team, you'll appreciate the ability to assign tasks, approve content, and track workflow. Competitors like Hootsuite offer team features too, but Sprout Social's team management tools are among the best in the market. Next thing is customer support. Sprout Social support is top-notch, offering live chat, email, and a knowledge base for help. But when compared to competitors like AgroPulse, whose customer service is equally great, the difference comes down to pricing and features. The eighth thing is their reporting depth. While Sprout Social offers comprehensive analytics, it doesn't dive as deep as some other tools like Social Bakers, especially when it comes to AI-driven insights. If you're looking for the most data-heavy platform, Sprout may feel a bit lacking. The ninth thing is the tool's integration capabilities. Sprout Social integrates with various third-party apps like Google Analytics, Salesforce, and Zendesk. While this is great for advanced workflows, some users may find the integrations more complex compared to simpler tools like Buffer, which also integrates, but in a more streamlined way. The 10th point is the pricing structure. Sprout Social's pricing can get steep, especially for smaller businesses. If you're just starting out and need a simple tool, you might find better value with platforms like Later or Buffer. But if you're looking for advanced features, the investment could be worth it. The 11th thing is the learning curve. While Sprout Social is powerful, some users find it overwhelming, especially when trying to master its more advanced reporting and automation features. For users who want something quick and simple, Buffer or Later might be a better fit. Finally, while Sprout Social is a solid social media management tool, if you want something that's a bit more cost-effective without compromising too much on features, check out our recommended solution. It offers all the key functionalities at a lower price, and you can try it for free to see if it's the right fit for your needs. So, while Sprout Social is a great option, be sure to weigh your priorities before committing. Try out alternatives and see which one offers the best balance of features, price, and ease of use for your business.